Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another Steam Boss vlog. Today we are out bright and early here at a bar. We got a lot to do today and I can't wait to show you guys what we accomplished. So we got Steve here working a little zipper action today. We got Sue here working on some gum. Tough thing to get rid of right now.
Cutting through some grease here with the super spinner. Just wrapped up with the bar. Turned out really well. He hasn't done quite often, so we love bringing the super spinner in there and really making it nice for him. So the next job here is going to be a urine job. So we have an older lady with an older dog that has, I guess, been using the master bedroom carpet as kind of a pee pad. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's check out the room and I'll show you how we treat urine. So in here is our main culprit for the room with urine. A lot of these spots here. That is all dog urine here in this main traffic area. Not too much over there. So have my moisture meter here. Let's put out the pins. So moisture meters are great at detecting it because they pick up the urine salts, even if they're dry, to the touch. You can see beep beep going right there. And this whole kind of area here is kind of pretty hot. So over here, not so bad. These are more, I think, just stains than anything else. I did use the black light. The black light does not turn up on camera that well because it's kind of light in this room, so I'm not gonna bother showing you guys that. But so we have our P lime zyme mixed up here in our inline sprayer. So we're gonna go ahead and get this whole room for her, but we're gonna make sure to saturate the spots where we know there is urine for sure. So let's get to work. Alright, so out here we have this area rug that I guess the dog has used the bathroom on a few times. Normally we don't treat area rugs for urine just because it's really hard, you know, to guarantee that we're actually getting it all. In this situation, she does not want to get rid of the rug and just wants us to do whatever we can to try to make it a little bit better. So we are going to treat this for urine. We're going to roll it up, let it sit outside here for a while, and then hot water extract it, and it should turn out pretty good. All right, so we got the P-line zyme sitting for about 10 minutes or so. Got the CRB machine here, so we're gonna go upstairs and scrub all that in. Let it sit for about another 20 minutes or so before we get started. So now in this room here, we do have a very defined traffic pattern. This carpet hasn't been cleaned in quite some time, but even with that tread pattern there, you can kind of tell that all the spots are, if not a lot lighter, are actually completely gone. So what you're seeing here is just a lot of wear in this carpet, especially coming around here to the bed. We're gonna do what we can with that, but as far as the urine is concerned, it's already starting to smell a little bit better in here. All right, so yeah, unfortunately this one, of course, is on the second floor. So we're running our hoses down this way. We could go say, hey, let's go say hi to Beck. Look at her, working away. Are you sweating?
Yeah,
why?
Just a little.
So we still got about another 15 minutes or so. She did spray the rug out here while I was doing the bedroom. So we rolled it up so it wouldn't really dry. So we'll let that sit probably a while longer, just because you know, we want to make sure we get that as best as possible. And before you know it, we'll be getting started.
A few moments later.
Whew, it is pretty hot today. I think it's about 90 something. I'm even starting to sweat, but it's been a little over half hour. I say we get started in the one bedroom that wasn't treated, and then for sure by that time we'll be good to go. All right, back to this room here. So we are going to pre-treat it for soil as well, but we're really just gonna do a light mist on this. There's already a lot of product down, so we don't wanna oversaturate it with the actual pre-spray itself, but we're still gonna hit it. So overall, not too bad. You can see it's still pretty worn, but still is a lot brighter. You get all that soil out. A lot of stuff under the bed, but we get whatever we can. And a little bit of citrus salt for those. Not sure what they are. So, in putting your nose to it, it smells just slightly still, even after we've done the treatment. So what we're gonna do here is take a little bit of Sager's Odor Oxy. We're gonna spray this area, let it sit for about 5 minutes or so, come back, clean it again, and see what we get. Show them the details.
A few moments later.
All right, let me go upstairs and show you guys what we got going on. We're all done. Got the rug drying outside. Forgot our stair hook here. Let's run up the stairs. Always the second floor. All right, so up here, we got all this done. Looks pretty good. Do see a little bit of a wear pattern there, but hey, for not being cleaned in 5 years, doesn't look too bad at all. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. If you guys are new, we really appreciate it. We're still trying to get to that 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all of our new subscribers. Don't forget to check out our other social media accounts on Facebook, Instagram, and of course our website at www.steambossink.com. I'm tired for today, guys, so I guess as usual, we'll catch all you guys on the next one. Peace.